Now, last time we talked about the difference between statistics coming from a sample and parameters describing the population, but let's get more detail about this data. The values of the variables that we obtain are the data. The characteristics of the individuals about which we collect the information are called variables. So we're talking maybe their height, their weight, their age, their whatever it is. Now, when we talk about their height, their weight, their age, the actual values are called the data, those numbers. Information is collected on individuals, whether it's individual people or individual cars or whatever we're collecting information on. Now, the total information collected is called a data set. So you can think about it this way. The data is the smallest part, which represents the variable, which represents the individuals, which make up the full data set. Now, our variables can either be qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative is descriptions. While quantitative are your counts or measurements. So let's see if we can tell the difference. A person's age. That's a count. We're counting how many years. So that's quantitative. A quantity. Think of it as quantity and quality. Okay. A person's gender. Well, that's not a count or a measurement. That's just a category. So let's put this could be categories. It's describing, that's qualitative. What about the mileage on a car? Well, that's counting. That's definitely quantitative. That's a quantity. The color of the car, that's a description. Qualitative. Now, within that, qualitative can be either ordinal or nominal. Ordinal variables have a natural order. There's a ranking of some kind. A nominal variable has no natural order. So let's see if we can see the difference here. State of residence. Is there an order, really? A natural order? Not really. The state of your residence is it's nominal. What about gender? That's also nominal. Grade letter in a class, A, B, C, D, F. Well, there's definitely an order to that. That would be ordinal. Size of a soft drink. Is there an order to the sizes of a soft drink? Yes, there is an order, so that is ordinal. Now, just like we can narrow down qualitative, we can also further divide quantitative into either discrete or continuous. Discrete variables can be listed. While continuous variables occur on an interval. So discrete variables are more like when you can count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continuous, there could be a little bit of decimals in there, a little bit of guesstimation. So let's see the difference. Age of a person at his or her last birthday. Well, that's discrete. I can count that. The height of a person. Is that just restricted to a list of values, or could you be 5'6" and almost an inch more? You could have some guesstimation in there. That makes it continuous. It's on a scale. Number of siblings a person has. We can count them. That's discrete. Distance a person commutes to work. Well, even though my odometer is going to give whole numbers, it's not really whole numbers because there could be some decimals in there. That's continuous.